Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar has a lot planned, but not many significant events to look out for. However, we have some noteworthy reports to discuss that could create volatility in the market, so let's get started. At 8 o'clock South African Standard Time, the British inflation report will be released, and at 4:30 South African Standard Time, the crude oil inventories report will be published. These reports are likely to have an impact on the market. Additionally, we have multiple Fed members speaking today, which could provide insight into further US monetary policies. But that's not all. Don't miss your chance to win a limited edition branded mug. Simply like this video and comment the answer to the following question. What does leverage mean in trading? Is it A, insider info about a trade, B, borrowed money, or C, technical analysis? Also make sure that you are subscribed to our channel to be eligible to win. The giveaway will take place once we reach 300 subscribers. T's and C's apply.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
Let's start things off with currency news. The dollar fell against major currencies after better than forecasted growth data from China, while strong pay figures from Britain supported the pound. China's GDP grew 4.5% year-on-year in the first quarter of 2023, beating analyst forecasts of a 4% expansion after the end of the COVID-19 restrictions lifted the world's second largest economy. Moving on to the analysis for today on USDCAD. The loonie is currently in an ascending triangle formation. If we break this pattern and close below 1.338, we could see a further sell-off back down to that next primary support at 1.33. Now let's shift our focus to Wall Street. US indices experienced a mixed session as market participants weighed earning results from major companies including Goldman Sachs and Bank of America. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Nasdaq finished little changed, while the S&P 500 added 0.1%. Let's move on to the Nasdaq 100 analysis. US tech is currently just below that primary resistance level at 13,200. It is also currently in a small upward trend, currently just above that diagonal support level. If we break the support and close below 13,050, we could see a sell-off back down to those lower levels at 12,900. However, if we have a break above the resistance level and close above 13,200, we could see this specific index rally again. Now let's talk about commodities. Oil prices were little changed as upbeat economic data in the number 2 oil consumer, China, offset concerns that possible increases in US interest rates could damp growth in the top consuming country. However, the prospect of another US interest rate hike remained a drag on sentiment. Traders expect the Federal Reserve to raise rates by 25 basis points at its May meeting. Now let's take a look at the analysis on crude oil for today. This commodity is currently within that primary support zone. Should we get a close above the zone around $81.20 per barrel, we could see a rally on this specific commodity. However, if we break back below the zone and close below $79.70 a barrel, we could experience a decline. Lastly, let's discuss gold. The yellow metal retook the 2000 level as the dollar and US Treasury yields cooled after a recent recovery rally. But further gains were held back by growing uncertainty over the path of US interest rates, with recent hawkish signals from Fed speakers having spooked markets. Still, gold remained relatively well bid amid fears of an economic slowdown this year, as the effect of high interest rate is felt by the global economy. Regarding the analysis for gold today, the yellow metal is still within that channel range, currently at the bottom and just above that primary support. If we get a close above 2009, we could experience a rally on this specific commodity once again.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the puss be with you. Cheers.